Is your business ready to harness the power of robotics? In today's dynamic manufacturing environment, automated equipment and robotic systems are the keys to success in delivering higher productivity, lower cost, and improved equipment utilization to better meet your business goals. ELM Electrical is a full-service integrator of turnkey automation systems focused on delivering custom robotic solutions for automated assembly, machine tending, packaging, and palletizing to a broad range of customers nationwide. ELM is a Rockwell Automation Solution Partner and authorized FANUC Robotics Integrator. Both Rockwell Automation and FANUC are the leaders in supplying automation and robotic solutions to industry. This broad range of products, coupled with ELM's extensive experience in factory automation, provides your operation the most robust solution for your automation needs. Through the use of 3D simulations, ELM will qualify new operational procedures and methods prior to capital investment. We'll work with your company's objectives and timeline to carefully define the best solution possible in terms of cost, ergonomics, manpower requirements, safety, quality control, and production capacity. The collaboration that takes place between our engineers and your manufacturing personnel allows us to complete the required safety risk assessment as part of our delivered solution. Once an automation design is qualified, ELM will take the concept to reality. Prior to the on-site installation, ELM conducts a comprehensive factory acceptance test, assembling the robotic components and automation systems to fully prove all functionality. Then, our team of engineers and expert technicians complete the installation and integration at your facility. Improve your production throughput with a turnkey robotic solution from ELM Electrical and enjoy the benefits of the highest quality products on the market with integration and support from our dedicated team. For more information, contact ELM Electrical at 413-568-0905 or on the web at elmelec.com. That's ELM, ELEC.com.